Hey guys, when the matter is in gaseous state, the particles in it can move around very fast and very freely. As its state changes from gaseous to liquid, the particles now are close together. They can still move, but now very slowly. Finally, state changes from liquid to solid. They get locked in their position and they can hardly move. So to answer the question, why lakes freeze from top to bottom, we have to keep this in mind. And one more thing about density. Density of a substance is how tightly particles in it are packed together. Tightly packed matter is more denser than a loosely packed matter, and hence less dense object floats on top of a more denser object. So if we put an ice cube, which is a solid object, into a liquid, that's water, it should sink, right? But what we see, it starts floating. Why? This is a very special property about water. Almost every other matter gets more denser as its state changes from liquid to solid. But water gets less denser. Why? Because ice forms a crystalline structure, which means it forms a regular pattern of particles with spaces in between the molecules. The spaces in the crystals are larger than the spaces between molecules in a liquid. Hence, as there is more space, it becomes less denser. So ice is therefore less denser than water. Hence, it floats on water. Now imagine, when the winter begins, the temperature has just gotten below freezing. The water at the very top of the lake is in direct contact with the cold air. So it freezes first. And as we found out before, ice is less denser than water. The sheet of ice does not sink but floats on the water. If the temperature stays very cold, the sheet of ice gets more thicker, but the ice also acts like a barrier or an insulator between the cold air and the warmer water beneath. The sheet of ice helps the rest of the water from becoming ice, and this keeps the aquatic life beneath the ice alive. This was it for today. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel for all the future video. You can click the subscribe button that's above me or the link in the description. To watch my previous video, click on the thumbnails. And as always, stay curious, stay awesome.